What's going on, guys? So in today's video I'm going to show you how to collect your payment from your customers. So once you have sent out your product to your customers through your delivery agent, there are only two ways you can collect your payment. The first one is the customers will send your payment direct to you, or they will give your money to your delivery agents to deliver to you. So to make it easy, it's good to work with a reliable delivery agent by following the process I shared with you in the last video. Okay, once your delivery agent is reliable, allow them to collect the payment, because it will help them to confirm the payment immediately, but probably to avoid a situation whereby they are trying to contact you and they have a network issue or a network failure. So it's more important when your delivery agent collect the payment for the delivery he did for you for the day and remit to you at the end of the day. That's how most of them works. But make sure that you are working with a reliable delivery agent. Okay, but if in some cases you might also request for the customer to send the payment to you if you don't really trust the delivery agent you are working with. Just let the customer know that when the delivery agent comes, he should send you the payment, and you will tell the delivery agent to give the customer your product, and you give them their own balance. But it all depends on the agreement you reach with the delivery agent. Okay, most of them will accept for you to collect the payment, whereas most of them will want to collect the payment so that there will be no delay on your own end. Okay, and to also make sure that you are paying them. So this has to do with trust issues. That's why I said make sure you are working with a reliable delivery agent so that all this is not going to be an issue. If you are working with ace.ng, Ace is going to collect the payment for you, because you are going to be selecting this option of, is pay on delivery. They will collect your payment for you. If you select prepaid, it means that the customers have already paid you. They will not do anything. But if you select pay on delivery, they will collect your payment for you and remit your payment to you straight to your bank account. Okay, so those are the things you have to bear in mind when you are looking to collect your payment from your customers. I hope you find this video valuable. Make sure you're a subscriber to this channel, like this video, share it to your friends, click that bell notification button, and see you guys in my next video.